Ministry may be hard. It may be painful. It may feel like it's going to crush you. But guess what, baby? It's not unbearable. You can still run this race. Because guess what? You're not running alone. There is unseen, but certainly not unfelt power. Pastor Fred would tell you beyond Cater Street, and she would testify that she was never ever the smartest in her class. Not saying that she wasn't smart, not saying that she wasn't bright, but there were some classmates, male and female, who were smarter. And everybody said they would be the ones. And they overlooked her. But somebody prayed for her. Amen. God had a plan. And God didn't show her how he would get her in Lincoln University. And God didn't show her how he would get her through. But God, as she ran the race, and look at her now. She was supposed to be like everybody else, an unwed mother, struggling with abuses and addictions of every kind. But look at her now. 3 advanced degrees. Amen. They said she wasn't saved enough. Said she wasn't sanctified enough. Said she wasn't anointed enough. But look at her now. Can I get a witness?